In this video, I'll show you how to add alt text and use the accessibility checker in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. Before we start, we're going to look at the accessibility checker. Simply click Review, then click Accessibility Checker. This will simply be your assistant on the accessibility of your document. This is telling us that alt text is missing from one image, this image. This is important because we can now apply the alt text, and we'll come back to this later. Click Cross. Then we're going to select the image. Then click Picture Format, then select Alt Text. In this sidebar, we can start typing the alt text that we want to use. Avoid using image of or picture of because Word knows that this is a picture. In Office 365, it uses Copilot to generate alt text for you. You can select this button or type in manually. That's up to you. If the image is decorative and doesn't actually provide the document with any useful information, make sure you select that. Go ahead, type in your alt text or generate alt text. Once it's done, click the cross at the top. We're now going to go back to Accessibility Checker. Click Review at the top of the ribbon, then select Check Accessibility. It's still saying missing alt text. Just select that once and then click Approve. Now, missing alt text has been checked off. Looks good, no issues found. Select that once and you've now applied alt text to your image. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about creating accessible documents, then check out my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.